one of those parents who's constantly worried how your child would interact in front of a group or possibly on a one-to-one basis? Are you one of those parents who's worried that the pandemic has taken away your child's social interaction skills? Are you one of those parents who's seeing that their child is constantly fearing speaking in front of people? Do you know that the phobia of public speaking is one of the biggest in this world? More than 90% of the people suffer from glossophobia, the fear of public speaking. And don't let your child suffer with this phobia. Identify it and give him those skills to handle this fear. And if you're still watching this video, you're at the right place right now, because I'm coming back with a new batch of my public speaking workshop. And in this workshop, I'm going to be working very closely with a group of children aged between 9 to 14 years and help them empower and improve their public speaking skills. We work on how to handle group discussions, how to deliver a presentation, how to create a presentation, how to deliver a speech or speak in front of public, how to overcome your fears, what's the right body language. And when I say this is a workshop, it is actually going to be an activity-based workshop. There are going to be sessions which will have a lot of fun and activity and action happening. So it's not going to be lecture-based at all. And if that's exactly what you're looking for your child, you have no time to waste. Just go and check out all the details along with the description of this video and connect with me and book a spot for your child. I only work with a very close group, so don't miss out on booking a seat for your child here. And who am I? Hi, I'm Nidhi. I'm an educator and a communication skills trainer and a life coach. I'm also an author. I work very closely with kids. I work closely with young professionals, organizations too, and individuals too, helping them build their life skills. So I would also call myself a human skills trainer. If you want to check out my work, the links are again in the description of this video, and you can check out all my work and connect with me immediately to book a seat for your child. I'm going to wait to hear from you.